Samsung refrigerator 5 star. $198. MRP 23,990. Purple color. Serial number, model number, toll free number. Purple color. Flower model with handle. 5 star rating. Power saving guide 192 liters. Electricity consumption 104 units per year. Ten years warranty on compressor. Connect with home inverter. Stabilizer free operation. With base drawer for onion and potato. We can open door with handle or upwards for key. Full body. Samsung Care for service with full body cover. Specifications: compressor tank, defrost water storage. We can remove it by easily. Deep freezer, and for the shelf for non-veg items we can put here. Temperature control. Defrost button. Please press blue button if you see excess ice inside freezer zone. Do not use sharp objects with toughened glass shelves. LED light. Warranty card with plastic key here and ice cube. User guide, installation instructions, safety, temperature settings. Customer usage. Cleaning, refrigerator cleaning instructions. Shelf for tin cans, egg shelves. 1 liter bottles here, 2 liter bottles. Antibacterial gas kit. We can remove and wash. Full body view. Samsung 5 star with handle model, purple blue color with base dryer for onion and potato. Nice look.